Hello guys, welcome to Average Student. In this video, we'll learn about powers of imaginary unit. So our question is, which of the following is equivalent to complex number I to the power of 5? And our choices are 1, I, -1, or I. So to solve for this, let's find the first few powers of I. So let's start with I to the power of 1. I to the power of 1 is just simply I, right? Now let's move on to I to the power of 2. So to solve for this, we have to use the imaginary rule. And our imaginary rule says the following. So imaginary number rule says I is equal to the square root of -1. And over here we have I squared. So I squared is equal to square root of -1 squared, right? Since I is equal to square root of -1. So we can simplify this further to -1 because square root and power of 2 will just cancel out. So we're just left with -1. So I squared is equal to just simply -1. Now let's move on to I to the power of 3. Now I to the power of 3 can be written as I to the power of 1 times I to the power of 2. And from previous steps, we know I to the power of 1 is just simply I times, and I to the power of 2 is simply -1. So I to the power of 3 is equal to -I. Now let's move on to what I to the power of 4 is. So I to the power of 4 can be written as I to the power of 2 times I to the power of 2. And we know I to the power of 2 is just simply -1. So basically, in this case, it will be -1 times -1, which is equal to just 1. And lastly, let's try and solve what I to the power of 5 is. So I to the power of 5 can be written as I to the power of 2 times I to the power of 2 times I to the power of 1. Or you can just write it as I to the power of 4 times I to the power of 1. And previously we solved for I to the power of 4, which is equal to just 1. So we can say it is 1 times, and I to the power of 1 is equal to just I. So our I to the power of 5 is equal to just I. And this is our answer. So our answer is B here. I to the power of 5 is equal to just I. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.